Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cute little Play-Doh crab. I think crabs are so cute, but try not to get too close to them or they might claw you. Here's what you need to get started. You need pink, purple, blue, yellow, and orange Play-Doh. Let's get started. First, we're going to start off by making the body and the claws of the crab. To add on the facial and claw details. Cute little crab. Wow, he looks so cute. I wonder what I'm gonna name him. I think I'm gonna name him Mr. Claus because he has cute little claws. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm creating next time here on Happykids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.